I came across your website and I just want to give some feedback on this. What I like about your website is it's so clean and there are a lot of things to read. And the one thing I like the most is this chat box where client can send you a message easily, and also the number is here, so it's easy for a client to see. And now let's take a look what's happened online as far as what people on the Google searcher see. Let's take a look at the customer service looking for your service would see on Google, and what we are looking right now. This is a ranking grid, and you can see you are this is a ranking grid. As you can see, you are number one right here in the middle area, which is your Google profile location. That around that it drops off quickly, and one of the suggestions we are giving a business on this area, on this right now, is to put another profile and another website in another city that you want to grow into, like here in the corner and here on the bottom. Let's take a look. Let's take a quick look to see how you are ranking. See, you are here at the 15th position. It's where you are ranking overall in the entire area. So above you but the following after you is like there are the businesses or the companies who gives services as you do. So what we are thinking, or what we can suggest right now is, like I said before, is another website and another business Google profile. We're gonna send you an example of a website that we built as a test model that we could brand for you and help you put up another profile to get you another, like, more business or more work to do. Yeah, so if you're interested or if you have any inquiries, please let us know. Thank you.